Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So today's video is going to be a bit different. I want to show you how I put on press-on nails when I'm in a rush. Of course, as you can see, I am utilizing the Kiss brand. This product typically comes with glue, a nail file, and like a wooden stick to push back your cuticles. So the first thing I'm gonna do is push back all of my cuticles. I did wash my hands off camera just to get all that oil off of there and ensuring that my hands are clean. So I'm just going to basically file my nails down and push my cuticles back so that I can put on those press-ons. And this helps the glue basically stick to my nail. And I also am using the Kiss glue as well. I think it's called the Speed Pro, but I will have all of the information linked in the description below. But this is also the glue that Kim Kardashian utilizes for her press-on nails. So I was like, well, if it can work for Kim, baby, it can work for me. So what I'm gonna do is take all of the press-on nails and size them to my real nails. And I did wash my hands again off camera just to get some of that dust off from when I was filing and pushing my cuticles back and removing any dirt that I had under my nails. Typically, I would clip my nails as well, but I was on vacation, so I did not have clippers. So I'm just gonna go through one by one and take a nail and size it to my real nail just to make sure that they fit and lay them out so that the gluing process is super easy. And I apologize if I'm out of the frame. Recording this video was harder than I thought it would be, but I did the best that I can. Alrighty, so now that I have sized all the nails, I'm going to take the Kiss glue, and it's the Pro Flex, actually, maximum speed glue. My bad, y'all. I told y'all the wrong thing in the beginning. And I'm going to begin laying the nails down. So with this process, I like to put the glue on the nail and just lay the artificial nail or the press-on nail on top of my natural nail for a couple of seconds. I usually count to about 10 seconds and tap it just to ensure that it's on there, because sometimes it doesn't stick on there the first go around and you have to do it again. It's definitely okay to do it again, but you want to make sure that it sticks on there the first time. So you want to hold it as long as possible and put pressure on that nail so that it sticks to your real nail as well. I love press-on nails because we're in the middle of a pandemic right now, ain't nobody got time to be catching COVID in a nail shop or anything of that nature. So press-ons have been my solutions, and I love the fact that they're only $5. So that gives me the flexibility to change my press-ons when I want to. And y'all, these companies have gotten hip. So if you go to Walgreens or if you go to Walmart, or even there are small businesses now that have press-ons that look like a legit manicure, and they look good. And as long as you have like a really good application process, they can last you for up to 2 weeks. So this process that I'm utilizing, I think it'll last me about 7 days, because I didn't clip, my nails. I didn't have rubbing alcohol. I didn't have a lot of things. But like I mentioned to you guys, I was on vacation, and this is the easiest method that I typically use when I'm in a rush and I'm ready to go and I just need something clean, so that my nails look presentable. All right, so this is the end result, and I really, really love this color. I love the way that it looks against my skin tone. It's exactly what I was going for. Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. It was so hard to record. I was just trying to keep the camera in focus for you all, but this is what my nails look like. And I was ashy because I had to wash my hands before I got started, make sure there was no oil on my nails. But I'm really satisfied. I don't know if you guys can see this. It's not in focus. We ain't gonna worry about it. But I'm really satisfied with how they turned out, and I'm definitely about to take some pictures. So follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to comment, like this video, and of course subscribe to my channel. I love you. See you next time.